Priya's world was filled with the dazzling image of the Starstrider sneakers. They were on her phone screen, in magazines, and on the feet of all the popular kids at school. With their shimmering laces and glowing logos, they made her own plain white shoes, tucked under her study table, feel hopelessly dull. "Mom, can I please get the Starstriders?" Priya asked at the dinner table, presenting the picture on her phone like evidence. Her father glanced at the price and shook his head gently. "Priya, that's a lot for shoes. Your current ones are fine. If you really want them, you'll have to save your allowance." Saving felt like an impossible mountain to climb. Later, her older sister Anya found her moping. "Still dreaming of sneakers?" she asked, sitting beside Priya on the bed. Priya nodded miserably. "It's impossible." Anya smiled, a knowing look in her eyes. "Not impossible, just a puzzle. I had to solve a similar one when I wanted my guitar. It's about figuring out your priorities." Anya opened a fresh page in a notebook. "Let's map it out," she said. They listed all of Priya's monthly expenses. Bus fare and school supplies were put in a column labeled Needs. Daily ice cream, movie tickets, and, quote, fashion magazines went into a second, surprisingly long column, Wants. "This is the key," Anya explained. "Every rupee you spend on a want is a rupee you are choosing not to put towards the sneakers. That's the opportunity cost. You're trading a piece of your big goal for a small, instant treat." For the first time, Priya saw her daily ice cream not as a treat, but as a tiny piece of a Starstrider, melting away. A new determination sparked in Priya. She started packing a snack from home. When her friends made a plan for milkshakes after school, she took a deep breath and said, "I'll catch you later, I'm saving up." It felt a little strange, but also surprisingly good, like she was in control. A couple of months passed. Priya was amazed at how fast her savings grew. Then, one afternoon, she saw a flyer on the community notice board, a weekend workshop on app development. A flicker of excitement went through her. She had always been curious about coding. She looked at the fee. It was almost the exact amount she had saved. She was frozen. The Starstriders were so close she could almost feel them on her feet. But the workshop, that was a door to a new world. She thought about Anya's words. What was the real opportunity here? One was a want that would fade. The other was a want that could build a future. The next morning, she walked past the shoe store without a second glance. She walked straight to the community center and signed up for the workshop. She felt a surge of pride that was deeper and more satisfying than just buying something new. The workshop was electrifying. Priya discovered a passion and a talent she never knew she had. The thrill of writing her first line of code that actually worked was far greater than any new shoes. She still wore her plain white shoes, but now she walked with the confidence of a creator, knowing she had made a choice not just for her feet, but for her future.